Hi everyone, welcome to Power Platform Tutorials. If you've ever wanted to build your own apps but thought coding was too hard, this video is for you. Today we'll dive into Power Apps, a Microsoft tool that lets anyone create apps without writing a single line of code. Power Apps is a tool that helps you build apps quickly without coding. Think of it like Lego for apps. You drag and drop pieces together instead of writing complex code. With Power Apps, you can create business apps for web and mobile, connect to tools you already use, Excel, SharePoint, Dataverse, SQL, and automate processes and collect data easily. First, let's talk about Canvas apps, the easiest way to start. Imagine you're making a digital form or mobile app. With Canvas apps, you drag and drop buttons, text boxes, and images, just like PowerPoint. Connect to Excel, SharePoint, or other tools you already use, and it works on phones, tablets, and computers. See? No coding, just click, drag, and connect. This is perfect for checklists, survey forms, and simple tracking apps. Now, what if your app needs to manage lots of data, like customer info or orders? That's where model-driven apps shine. The app auto-generates based on your data, like magic. It's perfect for contact lists, support tickets, or inventory, and comes with ready-made views, forms, and reports. You focus on your data. Power Apps handles the rest. Great for CRM systems, case management, and any structured business data. Finally, what if you need a website where customers can log in? Meet Power Pages. You can create customer portals to track orders, submit requests, registration forms for events or memberships, and feedback surveys. No web developers needed, just click, customize, and publish. Which one should you use? Here's an easy way to decide. Start with Canvas apps if you want full design control and are building simple mobile desktop apps. Choose model-driven apps if you're managing lots of data and need built-in business logic. Pick Power Pages if you need a public website or customer portal. Ready to build your first app? Follow these simple steps. Step 1, sign in at make.powerapps.com. Step 2, click Create and choose Canvas app. Step 3, pick a layout, tablet or mobile. Step 4, add a button, text box, or gallery. Step 5, connect to a data source, like Excel or SharePoint. Step 6, click Save and Publish. Your app is live. Congratulations. You now know the basics of Power Apps. Here's your next step. Try making your first app today. Comment below. What's the first app you want to build? Subscribe for our next video, where we'll build a step-by-step app together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.